What is Bordo Flowers? Who is managing this business? How profitable is this business? Where we got all those custom boxes? Nothing is going in a click. My goal was to make some money. I was working as a cashier, as a barista, as a busser. If you're opening a business, just having money, no, it's not about it. Hi everyone, welcome to Bordo Flowers channel. I never had a chance to tell you what is Bordo Flowers, who stays behind all this business. Is it hard to manage a flower shop nowadays? And one of the most popular question, where we get those custom boxes. Before start, follow us, like this video and turn on the bell. Let's start. So my name is Kate. I'm founder and creative designer of Bordo Flowers. Flowers became part of my life, my passions, since 2015, when I just was 16 years old. Then I moved to Chicago with my family and started the business here. If you think that it was easy, it wasn't. As I came to United States, I was working as a cashier, as a barista, as a busser. I attended to ESL classes for half of a year, which really helped me to improve my English, and then I just started my own business. I'm just telling you all of those just because let you know that nothing is going in a click, nothing is easy. Like, people are starting their business and think like, tomorrow I'm just gonna become a florist, I'm just tomorrow, why this girl opened her shop in 2 months and like I have to work so much. No, it's a road, it's a lot of work, it's a lot of time to achieve your goals, to arrive where you want. So in 2021, we opened our first shop. After 3 years of despair, of a lot of tears, of mistakes, of working hard, we did it. Bordo Flowers shop. Bordo Flower Shop is located on West Irving Park Road in Chicago, Portage Park. We do same-day delivery, walk-ins. We also do events, accept orders for bridal bouquets, and everything what's connected with the flowers. Starting 2022, we accept weddings and different types of events. So who is managing this business? My husband and I own this business as a family-owned business. My husband helps me with more strategical, accounting, and financial side. And I'm more about creativity, team building, organization of a shop, and others. We have a manager at the shop who is responsible for all the messages, phone calls, inquiries on Instagram. She's checking the website and she's responsible for all the orders going on the website. And also we have a florist, our magical bee, who is taking all your orders and she's doing all the arrangements at the shop. Also, Bordo Flowers team has a social media manager who is working from Canada, and we have a new member of our family. We have our YouTube manager who just made this video for you. As you see, it's not only me and flowers, it's a mini group. It's my family who stays behind of all our hard work. How profitable is this business? Profit of your business depends only about your actions, your team, and of course the season. Personally, I can say that I mentioned season time when it's pretty busy and then when it's pretty low. So let's say for me, February, March, April, May, it's pretty busy time when we have a lot of work, and my experience, it's only about retail because we right now work more as a retail shop. All those 4 months is pretty busy. June and July and August is very slow. It's wedding time and retails is going a little bit down, but September, October, November, and a little bit of December, I can say it's pretty busy. And then January, as is like the slowest month of the year. So let's get back to the profit. I have this shop for 3 years only, and we still invest a lot of money in the shop, but year by year I see how we really grow. The number of our clients is increasing, and we really improving our services to do a nicer job than we did last year. I think to manage a flower shop is the same as to own another business. Everywhere you find like hard stones to move, sometimes it's just like easier going, and this business, flower business, depend how passionate you're about it. If you're opening a business, just having money, no, it's not about it. Getting in a flower business in my native country, my goal was to make some money. And then I just understand that if you're not gonna be passionate about what you're doing, you will not be able to go through all the hardness what you found on your road. So you just have to love what you do, a lot of passions, and just keep moving. Just keep moving, always moving. You cannot imagine how many times I wanted to quit. But my family was supporting me, keeping me going, and here I am. And the final question, where we got all those custom boxes? My answer is China. Yes, most of the stuff like paper, boxes, ribbons, some of the supplies we get from China. I think mostly of the business has their supplies from China. We ordering a huge quantity of boxes. The only thing what you have to do, you have to work hard and to find a good manufacturer who will be able to serve you with a good service. I hope I answered to mostly of your questions. If you still have more questions, leave your comments below. We will try our best to answer next videos. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next video. Bye!